Okay, guys, let's get ready to rumble. This is a very simple dress. So I pulled out my handy dandy pattern pieces. So if it's somebody for the first time watching this, they could be like, okay. So basically with the tube top, this is what your piece gonna look like, okay? It's gonna look just like this, but it's gonna be your measurements. So you'll take your pattern, you put it on the fold. So when I say put it on the fold, it's folded in half, but it's going to be your measurements. You're going to have two of these. But when you open it up, it's going to look like this. And then what we're going to do, sew down each side, okay? We're going to sew down each side. So how we get these sleeves? Let me pop up. So y'all see these sleeves? So how we wind up getting these sleeves, if you can see, the sleeves is connected in this fabric, okay? So when you get right here to the armhole, right here, you'll do a curve. That curve is going to be for the sleeve, okay? So the sleeve will be like a basic sleeve. You trace it out, but the only difference is we'll fold that raw edge down, and boom, we're going to connect it into this fabric, okay? We connect that sleeve into this fabric. There you go. And then all I did, then you take elastic, the width of you, and I used a small 1/2 inch of elastic and thread it. Make the measurements and don't make it too tight because you want it to go over your arms too, because it's going to go way over your arms. Thread it all the way through. And then I just simply took 2 holes and pulled my fingers through. And I have a simple tube dress. Beautiful black velvet. I had this fabric got donated to me from a beautiful woman off TikTok. She said, "Hey Marie, I got a lot of fabric and I think you can use it." And I'm like, "Okay, I'll take it." And she mailed me a huge box of spandex fabric because she know that I'm the queen of spandex. Like, send me spandex, I'm taking it. I'm taking it. I want it. I want it. I want it. So yeah, then you can put whatever type of shoes on, and you can make it like a going out dress, or you can make it real colorful, like a colorful dress. So I hope that this helped. This is a simple way to make these tube, or if you don't want the sleeve, just make the basic tube. Just make the basic tube and you'll be all good. So I hope that these videos are finding you guys, and you guys are seeing these videos and you're like, okay, you know what? I like it. And remember, it starts in your mind. You can do anything you put your mind to. So you guys have an awesome day. Toodles.